In this video, I'll show you how we can create this animated loader here in Figma. Let's come over to the toolbar and select the ellipse tool. Now we'll click and drag to create a 130 by 130 ellipse. Alright, now let's click this point here, drag it to around 98%. And now, let's drag this center point to about this thickness. Okay, now let's adjust the border of our loader. I'll set it to 30 pixels, and then here on this second border, I'll drag it a little closer to the start. Great. Now, let's select our element and change the fill. So let's select this second option here for a gradient and change it from linear to angular. This angular option allows us to select where our gradient begins and where it ends. So I'll select the start of our element, our loader, and I'll select a purple color for the first option. And for the second option, I'll also select purple, but I'll change the opacity to 0. With that done, we can close this and we have our first loader. Now, let's select it again and create a component from this loader. Okay, I'll just change the name to loader, and let's click here to create a variant. For this component, we'll need 4 variants. So I'll select this second variant and click 2 more times for a total of 4 variants. Okay, we can change them by selecting the first variant here. I'll change the name to 1, the second variant to 2, the third variant to 3, and the fourth variant to 4. Okay, let's now start adjusting the rotation of the variants. I'll select the second variant here, but there's a very important detail, which is that if we just select the variant and rotate it, it won't work. So it's very important to come here and select the ellipse element and then rotate it. I'll do a rotation of 90 degrees. Got it? And we'll do the same thing for the third variant. So I've selected the ellipse, but this third variant will be 180 degrees and the fourth variant 270 degrees. Now we're going to move on to prototyping. So for that, let's select the first one here. We'll come to the Prototype tab and drag from the first to the second variant. Let's change this on click option to after delay and change the delay to 1 millisecond. We don't need to change we just need to change this to Smart Animate Linear and leave it here at 400 milliseconds. All right, now we'll do the same thing from the second to the third. From the third to the fourth. And from the fourth to the first variant. Okay, with that done, we now have our animated loader component, so we can test it. For that, let's go to the Assets tab and drag our component into our project. I'll just align it here in our project, and let's test it. This is the result of our loader. I'll go back to the Design tab. We can create some text, for example, loading. Change its color to purple as well. I'll decrease our component a little to 115. Okay, let's align it. I'll group the two and center them in our project. And this is the result of our loader. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, leave a like. I'll see you in the next video.